Oh my gosh, here we go. Severe thunderstorm watch or warning. We got our first warning of the day.
The National Weather Service in the
We got our first warning of the day.
severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bureau County in north central Illinois until 4:30 p.m.
All right.
At 4
That must have been...
a severe thunderstorm was located over Lamoille, or 9 miles west of Mendota, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lamoille and Van Oren. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Yep, that's exactly right.
If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Hey, someday I'm going to get an alert with the same headers. Someday I will. Alright, let's see.
Listening area.
There we go.
This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Ogle, Lee, Carroll, Vero, Whiteside counties in Illinois, and Clinton County, Iowa. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information.